Let me show you guys how I installed my new spoon cluster because it is stupid easy. I like to put a microfiber on here so I don't beat up the plastic on the top cover right here. And then I'm just gonna get the wiring. This wiring is actually pretty long and you can kind of stretch it out, plug all these boys in. Super easy. This is just plug and play. This is just an OEM cluster that's been modified. So I'm just gonna reach back here. I know it's hard to see, but I'm just plugging everything in and everything is just plug and play. All right. Okay. There you go. Nice and clean. I can take this guy off. And then on the back right here, we have screws that we need to replace. The center one right here, I like to put in first. Right up the top. Okay. That's super easy. Take the other two, put them on each corner. I know it's hard to see where your guys are at, but if you are swapping out your cluster, you'll know what I mean. And I don't like to tighten them all the way down because sometimes you have to shake everything into its place. So I'll just take the corners like this one right here. See that? Shifted it all the way over. If I tightened one side, guess what? You can't shift it. We're gonna take our overall bezel, this guy, and this you have to kind of like compress a little bit, and then it should just slide right in. Okay, and then there are two screws up here. I did refinish this, so I repainted it with the same paint that I use for my suspension. Pop this guy on here. Make sure it's somewhat straight. This install literally took me like 10 minutes. Look at that, dude. So clean. You can't even tell if the freaking lens is on there because it's so clear. Here's the driver point of view. All right, and then let's just go through each gauge. Right there is obviously your water temp. RPM right there. Kilometers per hour. I think I got like 6,000 on the clock, which is nothing. And then on this side, fuel. So I got free fuel. If you guys want one of these clusters, good luck finding one because they are super hard to come by. And I got this one from Type R Jose.